Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force commissioned its 11th Soryu-Class diesel-electric attack submarine on March 5, 2020. JS Oryu joins the JMSDF 1st Submarine Flotilla based in Kure. It is the first boat of its class to feature lithium-ion batteries and the first diesel-electric submarine in the world to feature this technology. Built by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Oryu's keel was laid in November 2015, and its hull was launched in October 2018. Soryu-class submarines are the world's largest conventionally powered submarines, with a displacement of nearly 3,000 tons and a length of 84 meters. All submarines of the class are named after dragons. Soryu means blue dragon, Wakaru means white dragon, and the latest submarine of the class, Oryu, means phoenix dragon. Oryu and Toryu, the last two submarines of the class, feature improved underwater endurance thanks to lithium-ion batteries. Previous submarines use lead-acid batteries. Designed by GS Yuasa, the high-performance lithium-ion batteries are set to store about double the power. Oryu and Toryu, fitted with the newest battery technology, will probably serve as a testbed for the next generation of Japanese SSK.